Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making couscous stuffed bell peppers. Now, this recipe is based on stuffing 4 peppers, so you can easily scale up and down the recipe. Now to start, you want to wash your peppers and then slice across the top to open them up. Now you only want to slice across the top enough to remove the stem and the slight protruding top part of the pepper, and then you want to peel the remaining pepper away from the stem. And then simply cut the remaining parts of pepper into small chunks and place in a bowl. Next, slice around 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, colour of your choice. If you can find a nice rainbow, it will just add some more colour to your dish. And then, once again, add to the bowl along with the sliced pepper bits. Then you want to dice either a white onion or a shallot, and then you want to heat up a tablespoon or 2 of oil in a skillet or a pan. Now personally, I am using my cast iron pan as I can use it in the oven later too, and it will also support the peppers whilst cooking. Now once your oil has heated, you want to add in your sliced vegetables and saute until softened and fragrant. Meanwhile, you want to core your peppers and optionally salt and oil the insides, and then cook 200 grams of couscous either by following the instructions on the package or by simply placing in a bowl or a jug and pouring over some boiled water, optionally with a stock cube or even just using heated chicken or vegetable stock instead of water. Now you only want to use approximately the same volume of water as you do have in couscous, and then let sit until it has at least doubled in size and no water remains. Now towards the end of your vegetables cooking, you can add in some herbs and spices if you wish. I'm using some fresh rosemary from the garden and also trying out some of my mushroom herb, which if you've never heard of it before, it is a green leafy herb which has a strong mushroom flavour to it. Now once your couscous and vegetable mix have cooked, you want to combine them in a large bowl and add some diced or pre-cut feta cheese. Optionally add in some pre-cut chicken, ham or even some sliced pitted olives and combine it all together. Then you want to arrange your peppers either in a cast iron pan like I'm doing, a baking dish, or support them in a baking tray using some foil wrapped around the bottom so they don't tip whilst cooking. Now of course I am using my cast iron pan as wonky uneven peppers can easily lean against the side of the pan and stop them tipping over. Now to fill your peppers, you just want to place some of the couscous mix inside each pepper, making sure to press down, filling any air pockets you may have in your pepper, and then you can even put a little bit of extra filling on the top just to mound it up slightly. Now if you are not wrapping them, you can do this, it's a lot easier. If you are wrapping them, I would just leave a flatter top. Now if you do have any of the leftover couscous mix, it can be enjoyed later cold, or you can just simply serve it at the table alongside the peppers. Now once cut, carefully place in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit oven for around 25 minutes until the top is browned and the peppers have softened. Now if you do prefer a softer pepper, you can also pre-cook your unstuffed peppers. Now to do this, you just want to core them and then cook them for around 20 to 25 minutes before stuffing. Now I personally prefer a bit of a firmer bite to my peppers, so I only cook them once they're stuffed. And there you have it, couscous stuffed peppers, and that wraps up this week's video. Now, as always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.